Introduction. Welcome to Stoicism, a comprehensive exploration of a philosophy that has stood the test of time, offering wisdom and guidance to generations seeking resilience and tranquility amidst life's chaos. This book is designed to take you on a journey through the rich tapestry of Stoic thought and practice, from its ancient roots to its relevance in our modern world. Stoicism is a philosophy of personal ethics, informed by a system of logic and its views on the natural world. Originating in Athens in the early 3rd century BCE, Stoicism was founded by Zeno of Citium and later developed by Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, among others. At its core, Stoicism teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means to overcome destructive emotions. It is a philosophy that reminds us that while we cannot control or rely on external events, we can control our responses, thus determining our own well-being and peace of mind. The Stoic philosophy posits that the path to happiness is found in accepting the moment as it presents itself, by not allowing oneself to be controlled by the desire for pleasure or fear of pain. Stoics focus on the use of logic to discern the natural order of the universe, while ethics are employed to use this knowledge in everyday life. They believe in working with the world's natural flow, not against it, thus attaining a state of eudaimonia, a life worth living. Central to Stoicism is the concept of the dichotomy of control, which distinguishes between what we can control, our own actions and responses, and what we cannot control, everything external to our own reasoning choices. This foundational concept is crucial in developing the Stoic mindset, which encourages one to concern themselves only with what is within their power and to approach life's challenges with an attitude of equanimity and resilience. Stoic virtues are essential to this philosophy. Wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance are seen as the 4 cardinal virtues that one should cultivate. Wisdom involves the knowledge of what is good and what is evil. Courage is not just physical bravery, but also the ability to face internal challenges and personal struggles. Justice involves the right interaction with society, and temperance is the moderation of our desires and appetites. Despite its ancient roots, Stoicism remains relevant today, offering timeless insights into human behavior and thought. Its principles have been applied in various fields, from psychology to leadership, and continue to influence contemporary thought and practice. The Stoic pursuit of inner peace through virtue and rationality provides a compelling framework for personal growth and ethical living in our complex modern world. Stoicism is not just a theoretical study, it is a practical guide. As we bridge the gap between the rich history of Stoic philosophy and the pragmatic applications detailed in the subsequent chapters, we uncover the profound relevance of Stoicism's teachings in our everyday lives. Through this book, you will discover how Stoicism is not merely about enduring hardship, but about thriving through adversity, cultivating a resilient spirit, and leading a life of purpose and meaning. Our exploration begins in Chapter 1, where we introduce you to the origins and key philosophers of Stoicism. Here, we unravel the fundamental concepts and virtues at the heart of this philosophy, clearing up common misconceptions and examining its intersection with contemporary psychology and the role of fate. In Chapter 2, we delve into the discipline of desire, understanding how Stoics perceive desire and aversion, and the pursuit of wisdom. We investigate the transformative practices of gratitude, negative visualization, and the embrace of amor fati, the love of fate. The journey continues in Chapter 3 with the discipline of action. Stoicism isn't just a theoretical framework, it's a way of living. We explore the Stoic view on justice, duty, and the work ethic, extending to leadership and our relationship with the environment. Chapter 4 focuses on the discipline of assent, highlighting the Stoic mindset, the power of choice, and the significance of emotional resilience. We discuss the Stoic approach to mental health and the practice of reflective meditation. Emotions are central to human experience, and in Chapter 5, we tackle Stoicism and emotions. Here, we dissect the Stoic treatment of emotions, from managing negative feelings to cultivating positive ones, emphasizing the importance of emotional wisdom. Chapter 6 examines Stoicism in the context of ethics and morality. This chapter lays out the foundation of Stoic ethics and how it informs personal integrity, sexual ethics, and our approach to property, wealth, and global citizenship. In Chapter 7, we turn our attention to relationships and society, exploring how Stoicism shapes our interactions with family, friends, and the broader community. We discuss Stoicism's role in education, social justice, and philanthropy. Personal development is a key theme in Chapter 8. We address how Stoicism can enhance self-awareness, self-regulation, and character building, and how it can be applied to time management, goal setting, and lifelong learning. Chapter 9, Stoicism in Practice, offers practical guidance on incorporating Stoic exercises, journaling, meditation, and physical health into your daily routine, along with financial responsibility and decision-making. Finally, Chapter 10 brings us to Stoicism in the 21st century, reflecting on the interaction between Stoicism and technology, globalization, and sustainability. We look at Stoicism's presence in pop culture, address contemporary criticisms, and consider the future directions of Stoic philosophy. As you journey through the pages of this book, may you find the tools and insights to forge a life of virtue, resilience, and fulfillment. Welcome to the world of Stoicism.